This one fruit requires zero effort to grow. Well, maybe a little bit of effort, but I'll show you how much effort it requires in this video. You really got to be able to prune them and pick them. And notice, I didn't say nothing about watering them. So you guessed it, it's blackberries. And today I'm gonna show you how much they grow, and by pruning them, how much more berries I can get. So this is the time of the year when I decide I'm gonna prune my blackberry bushes. And it's more about the height of the blackberry bushes than it is the time of the year. See, if you have multiple rows of blackberry bushes, you really don't want the rows to grow into each other, so pruning them helps that out a lot. So don't be afraid to take a healthy chunk off of them. So there's actually two reasons for pruning your blackberries. The first reason is to make sure they're the perfect height for when you go to pick them. And the second reason is to promote that growth to grow out laterally. Because the more full your blackberry bush is, the more berries you'll have. So really the only maintenance you'll have is to stop these rows from growing into each other. And then you just wait to pick them. So don't be afraid to cut them things back. They'll reward you later by giving you more berries. And one more thing, I haven't watered these things all year.